cmp-look uses the look command line tool to look up the words. So sometimes the words do not come up on the list. So the word obnoxiously, I type obno and trigger the completion. Typing X and L, you get the word obnoxiously, and that works okay. And fzf is the same. So next, inconceivable, ink, and I know that there is V and B, and this time it didn't work with cmp-look. With fzf, you can see there are 3 words with that combination of letters. Let's try again with the regenerative. So reg and t and v. So it doesn't work with cmp, but it works with fzf. Another useful thing with fzf is that since it just reads the content of the dictionary file that you specify in your Vim, you can add anything in there and it will come up on the list. So I have like the address of my university. I also have my email address in there too.